This Faceless YouTube channel is making serious money by using AI to create original AI music videos. Over the past 28 days, it pulled in around $2,500. And get this, it already has close to 400 original AI songs, each between 3 to 5 minutes long. The crazy part? The creator behind the channel never even shows their face. It's all completely faceless and fully automated. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI tools to create original songs and generate photorealistic images, all in just 3 simple steps that even complete beginners can follow. And the best part? You can start building passive income from these videos before the market gets oversaturated. Now, you're probably wondering, wait a second, how are they able to publish brand new music every day without ever getting hit with copyright strikes? Simple. The tools they're using generate 100% original audio, and they're following a few golden rules I'm about to hand you, on a silver platter. I'm going to walk you through the exact same playbook so you can start creating AI music videos legally, ethically, and fast. And here's the thing, no one's really breaking this down step by step using the AI tools I'm about to show you. So turn off the distractions and lean in, because this is the kind of stuff most gurus don't want you to know. The whole method comes down to just 3 moves. But here's the deal. If you mess up even one of them, you could kill your retention, or worse, post a video that gets 0 views. But if you get all 3 right, you've basically built yourself a money machine. Here's a sneak peek of what we'll be creating together today.
Feel the rhythm in my bones, I'm on my way. Every heartbeat's got a brighter beat. Dancing through the streets with sparkling feet. Let the good vibes lift us higher. Turn it up, ignite the fire.
Alright, here's the first thing we're doing differently. We're not just posting on YouTube. We're publishing our AI music videos across all major platforms. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Shorts, you name it. That's how you maximize views and boost your income, just like the Faceless YouTube channel we're modeling this after. Now, you've probably heard that platforms like TikTok and YouTube actually pay creators for their content. But there's a catch. YouTube only starts paying once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So yeah, getting started can feel like an uphill battle. That's why I started digging, and I found a workaround. There's a website offering pre-monetized YouTube accounts. These are channels that have already reached the monetization threshold organically, so you can start making money with AI videos right out of the gate. I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to check it out. Anyways, let's jump into the tutorial. You can follow along by grabbing my free Google Doc down below. Step 1 is all about generating original songs, but not just any songs. We're picking the right genres based on supply and demand. What does that mean? It means we're using the channel we just looked at as inspiration, but instead of copying what they do, we're creating original music in underserved niches that are blowing up in popularity right now. Low supply means your videos surface faster. High demand means you get more clicks. Simple math. Now open up ChatGPT and paste in the prompt from my doc. It's already pre-trained to give you a list of trending music genres with viral potential. Choose one that fits your style, then give ChatGPT a topic to generate a custom prompt in the style of ElevenLabs. Yep, you heard that right. Wait, ElevenLabs? I know most of us are used to Suno AI or Udio AI for music generation. But now ElevenLabs has launched Eleven Music, a powerful new AI music generator that lets you create full songs from prompts, with complete control over the vocals, lyrics, and even editing individual song sections. Not only that, creators actually get full commercial rights to the songs they generate with ElevenLabs. And that's a total game changer for anyone building a faceless YouTube channel or looking to make money with AI. It means you can publish, monetize, and even distribute your tracks on other platforms legally, without worrying about takedowns or copyright claims. Inside ElevenLabs, head over to the section labeled Music and paste your prompt right into the input box. At the time I'm recording this video, you'll see an option to generate up to 2 song variants, and just next to that, you can set the duration, up to 4 minutes. Once you're ready, hit Generate, and you'll see your song being built out, section by section. You can even follow along with the lyrics right in the center of the screen. I was honestly blown away by the quality. I kept experimenting and eventually chose a female voice for my final version. And here's something I love. The lyrics are fully customizable, so you have total control over the message and vibe of your track. Try ElevenLabs' brand new AI music generator for free through my link in the description. Once I had the final song ready, I moved on to step 2, creating the visuals for our AI music video. For that, I used Leonardo AI. Before jumping in, grab the prompt I included in the Google Doc. It's designed to turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant for crafting photorealistic images. It'll guide you through describing your main character in detail, so you can generate consistent character AI visuals throughout your video. Now, buckle up, because Leonardo AI recently dropped a brand new image model called Lucid Origin, and it's next level. This model is perfect for generating high-definition, realistic shots that look incredible in AI music videos. Let me show you my settings. I selected Ultra Quality for maximum detail, chose the proper aspect ratio, and went with the large image size for better resolution. Then I pasted in my prompt and hit Generate. Now, to make sure your main character stays consistent throughout the video, click the 3 dots next to the image and select Copy Seed. This gives you a numeric value that tells the AI how to arrange pixels, shapes, colors, and patterns consistently. In other words, if you use the same seed value in the same prompt, you'll get a repeatable, recognizable character design every single time. But keep in mind, AI isn't perfect. Sometimes, the output won't be exactly what you want on the first try, and that's totally normal. Just tweak your inputs and give it a few rounds. Now head back into Leonardo AI, enable Advanced Settings, and paste that seed number into the appropriate field. Then, keep generating your images, and watch how realistic and visually stunning they turn out. Okay, now comes the fun part. Did you know that even a low-budget music video can cost anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000? And that's not even counting the time it takes to shoot, change locations, pay actors, set up cameras, or buy props. Oh, and don't forget post-production editing. It adds up fast. So it's no surprise that music videos often go viral. They're visually addictive and emotionally powerful, but also expensive. Today, though, we're skipping the big production bills. We're using AI to slash costs and automate the entire process. This is where Kling AI comes in. I tested a bunch of AI video generators, and Kling AI consistently gave me high-quality results that actually followed the prompts, especially with their newest models. So, here in step 3, we're jumping into Kling. First, select the video option. Then, from the drop-down menu, choose Kling 2.1. That's their latest and most advanced version. Next, head to the Image to Video section and upload the photorealistic images we generated earlier. Now it's time to fine-tune the settings. For this tutorial, I'm creating a short 5-second video clip, just to show you how smooth and simple this is. Here's where it gets exciting. You can enter your prompt just like usual, but Kling also offers preset camera movements. No crew needed. These presets simulate everything from pans to zooms to handheld shots. You can preview the motion options to see which one matches your vibe. I noticed the Faceless YouTube channel we're replicating uses a lot of handheld movement, so that's exactly what I selected. I typed in my motion prompt, applied the camera preset, and clicked Generate. And just like that, my still image came to life. Then, I repeated the same process with the rest of the images. If you think about it, this is a full-on AI automation workflow. AI is doing the heavy lifting, from generating the music to animating the visuals, with just a few clicks. But we're not done yet. Keep watching, because now we're bringing everything together in the video editor. And I've got a few hidden gems to share about making professional-looking AI music videos, even on a tight budget. We're not going to dive into anything too complicated here. To keep things simple and affordable, I'm using a beginner-friendly tool called CapCut. It's intuitive, fast, and perfect for anyone just getting started. In the Google Doc, you'll find links to all the tools I'm using in this video, including an older version of CapCut Pro that you can use for free. Once you open CapCut, just drag and drop all your assets into the import area. Pro tip, I like to number my assets before importing. It keeps everything organized and makes editing way easier. Next, I pulled my AI-generated song into the timeline and used the crop tool to make sure the audio starts right away. Then, I dropped in all my image clips, matching them as closely as possible to the rhythm and flow of the music. I also grouped 4 images into a compound clip, which made it easy to add transitions between scenes. I personally used an overlay called White Flash to keep the pacing energetic and clean. And here's a time saver. I clicked Apply to All. So that same transition is automatically added between every clip. Now, of course, if you want your video to stand out, pay close attention to the details. For example, I noticed that depending on the vibe of each song, the most successful videos in this niche tend to be more colorful and visually dynamic. So I added a filter called Manga Vision, which gives the video a vibrant, eye-catching style without overdoing it. But wait, if you look closely at the channel we're modeling, you'll notice they've added lyrics to their videos in different styles, and even languages. CapCut has a built-in captions feature, and under that you'll find a lyrics option. It's different from standard subtitles. Lyrics appear a few seconds before the singer's voice, so viewers can sing along in sync. Once everything looked good and synced perfectly, I hit export. And just like that, the AI music video was done. Most tutorials would stop right here, but I want to leave you with a few hidden gems I discovered by studying this successful faceless channel in this niche. First off, the creator behind that channel did something genius. They subtly included a reversed brand name in their visuals, which added an intriguing, almost subliminal element to the videos. Not only that, they added lyrics directly into the videos, even in different languages, giving them a professional, polished vibe. The visuals? Absolutely stunning. The creator mentioned using Veo 3 in some of their clips, and when you look at the thumbnails, they honestly resemble something straight out of a mainstream music video. That human touch makes a huge difference. And here's the kicker. They're not just posting to YouTube. They've cross-posted their songs to Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, and YouTube Music. That's a power move. It makes the channel look like a full-blown record label and opens the door to multiple income streams. So here's the takeaway. Don't expect instant success. This creator published nearly 400 music videos to reach 30,000 subscribers. Not all their content went viral, but they kept posting, stayed consistent, and expanded across platforms. You don't have to use the exact tools I use today. Whether it's Suno AI, Udio AI, Veo 3, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, or the ones I showed you like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Leonardo AI, and Kling AI, what truly matters is your mindset, consistency, and love for what you're creating. If you're passionate about music and curious about how to make money with AI, this space has never been more exciting. Big respect to the creators featured in this video. This isn't financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme that guarantees results. It takes time. It takes real effort. But my goal is to inspire you and show you that it's possible to build something valuable, something real, that people actually want to watch and enjoy. Finally, take a look at Dan Martell's thoughts on AI.
The cool thing about AI, it gets better and better every freaking week. Now my default is to go to AI.
All right, congrats. You now know how to create your own AI music videos from scratch and make money from it. If you want to go even deeper, check out my 1-hour tutorial where I walk you through the full process of making AI music videos and shorts from start to finish. Peace out, and thanks for watching.